Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how to enable share button on Facebook. For that, you simply need to open your Facebook application. Make sure to sign in on your Facebook account, and on the upper right corner you will be able to see the three-line icon. Tap on that. This will let get access to your menu. So on the top of the screen you will be able to see your profile. Tap on that. This will let you access to your profile. When you scroll down and choose any post, you want to enable the share button. On this post, you'll be able to see three dotted line. Tap on that and now tap on edit privacy. When you toggle on public, anyone on or off Facebook will be let you see that post you have shared, and they can easily share your post on the Facebook. So this is the first step what you can do. When you find any post that has no share button, then you can simply screenshot that and go to the help center from the three-line icon. When you are on the menu, scroll down and tap on help and support, and now tap on report a problem and tap on continue to report a problem. Once the Facebook is creating report, wait until that and now tap on include. Here you'll be able to see feed. Tap on feed and now you can easily describe the issue here on the report. Upload the photo that you have screenshotted where any post doesn't have any share button. When you upload that and describe the issue, tap on the airplane like icon on the upper right corner and you can easily send the report to the Facebook. Facebook will find out the solution for your problem within some hours, and after that your share button on the Facebook will be easily enabled. So I hope this video was useful for you. If this video was useful, then hit the like button and consider subscribing our channel for the more uploads on our channel. Thank you.